So in the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu was given by, the outline of the book was given by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu to Rupa Goswami. And whatever Rupa Goswami wrote, whatever Sanatana Goswami wrote, and whatever Raghunath Das Goswami wrote, was all inspired, directed, and ordered by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. These books are very special. They're created by God, produced by God. Like they say, body by Fisher. But the cars. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he said, Rupa Goswami, Krishna, he's Krishna. He said, I have come to this world, and anyone who takes my shelter, anyone who surrenders unto me, and becomes a Gaudiya Vaishnava, no matter what his prarabdha karma is, no matter what his purva sanskaras are, his purva sanskaras means his impressions and his activities he did in his last life, he may have from praktana kripa, he may have received in a prior life the mercy of a Vaishnava. And by the mercy of the Vaishnava, he received a Sthayi Rati. Sthayi Rati means a permanent, loving relationship with Krishna. The Jivatma, the Satchidanand Jiva, has no Sthayi Rati. We are a clean slate. We're not born a coward boy, we're not born a gopi. We only attain the bhakti from outside. We only attain Sthayi Rati from outside. We only attain bhav from outside. And we only attain prem from outside. The jiva is chit, he's nitya, he's sat chit, he's eternal, and he's conscious. I am eternal, I exist, and I want to live eternally. That's why no one wants to die, because this is the nature of the Atma, sat and chit. And I know I'm eternal, that's why I don't like to die. I want to try to figure out how to conquer death. That's intelligent. So that's sat. And then chit means I'm aware of my fingers. Chit means consciousness, awareness, cognizance.